Hey, let me show you a few tips how we can improve the sound quality on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So first of all, you will have to start by opening those settings of the earbuds and go for sound quality and effects. First go for the sound equalizer, and what I can recommend you, just play some music that you listen to often and start switching those presets and the equalizer and find this one that fits your preferences the most. And if you find it, for example in my case, the bass boost, you can still customize it, so improve some frequencies, increase or decrease them, and you will find a custom preset that fits your preferences. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy S series phone, you can find here the another option to improve and enable the sound quality. But in my case, I have only Samsung A series, so this is the reason why this feature is not available. But there's just simple switcher that will allow you to even improve the sound quality. Now, when you go back from this one, you will have to open the settings on your phone, not the earbud settings, but just normal settings. And on your phone, you have to search for Dolby Atmos and the sound equalizer. So in my Samsung phone, it is available here. And what I can, wait a minute. Am I just misclick or something? Okay, it's now like using the settings of the earbuds, but if we are gonna disconnect them right now and just go back here, we can find the Dolby Atmos and pick its preview preset. So if you are listening music, pick music. If you want to watch some movies, pick movie. And also you can find another equalizer that is available on your phone, so you can still try to boost a sound over here. And if you are using some streaming services for listening to some music, like in my case the YouTube music, you can open its settings and go into the quality and make sure that you are gonna select high quality for downloads, for example, or streaming. I know that in the title, for example, you can even enable the lossless audio for some songs. And that will be actually everything. This is all tips that I can give you. Let me know what you think about this one. See you in the next one.